right in there. So there we go. Still want, I think I may have to cut this one a little bit more. She doesn't want to act right. Okay. Hello my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with the Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and today we are going to be making an arrangement that we got from it's a Trader Joe's arrangement. This would be amazing for your wedding or a dinner party or anything that you just don't want to spend a lot of money on but want to create. These flowers came from Trader Joe's. It was only $24 for everything, and it's going to be a beautiful arrangement. So anyway, we have our cylinder vase. I think this is 5. I'm gonna double check and look and see the size of it, and then we filled it with water and a little bit of floral food. We are going to do our favorite tic-tac-toe method, and this method helps so much with stabilizing your flowers so that they do not move or whatever you create, they stay exactly where they are at. So we're going to put that. So we have the tic-tac-toe and the tic-tac-toe, and we are just going to go around the top of it like so. Ooh, not doing its best, is it? Okay, guess because it's kind of awkward. So there we go. So we have all that together. We're going to just take the 3 stems that we received from Trader Joe's. I'm going to take one of the floral foods from theirs, and we're just going to go ahead and drop it in there. So with any type of flowers, I don't like to use too much of the green, so I'm just going to snip, and we're going to say this is about, what would we say, about 6 inches, and we're just going to put it into our arrangement, and we're just going to do all 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I take all the big ones off, and then we're just going to put, you know, I'm going to cut this just a little bit more. Don't forget to cut it at an angle, and we're going to put it right there. Then we're going to do the last one, and again cut it. And I'm just going to put this one right in there. So there we go. Still want, I think I may have to cut this one a little bit more. She doesn't want to act right. Okay, so now we're going to take our Gerbera daisies, and we're going to stick our Gerbera daisies kind of just into the hollow spots. And I guess I'm going to say I cut them about, I want to say, how big would you say this is? I don't like how, hold on one second you guys, I don't like how it's closing up too, showing me too big of a gap in the middle. Can you guys see that gap right there? I'll probably end up, I'm going to take this one out again, and I'm going to put it more directly going downwards into my arrangement. There we go. Okay, then we're going to put our Gerberas in here. Let's see, let's snip it again. And let's put it kind of I'm going to just kind of put them in spots that I feel still kind of coming apart. I want to tuck them in too. See, now I'm going to take these mum balls. They claim they're giant, but they don't look giant to me. And again, I'm going to cut them at an angle. I'll probably take some of this green off. Just have them coming, kind of coming a little bit further out of our arrangement. Okay, now I'm going to use, it's called Dragon Aster, and I love this. I love it so much. Let's put some of this in there. Maybe it'll give us a little bit of a better, I'm not liking the shape so far. Oh, I think this may do it. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is going to make it look a lot better. Let's see. Hope you guys can see. I'm gonna stick it right there. So I'm gonna try to go around it and see if we could fix some of it. Okay, so now that I have that done, I think what we're going to do next is I have a little bit of seeded eucalyptus. So let's go ahead and put some seed in there. Maybe this will give it a little bit more of a texture. And I think I'm gonna stick some right here. We're gonna put it kind of into the bottom of things. Yep. Let's see. Okay, I think we kind of got it together. The best I'm probably going to end up doing. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, don't forget also, I do have a membership. Don't forget to join that. You'll get to, if you are a florist needing to, you know, just having problems starting off in the business and want to know some things about how to be a better florist, go ahead and check that out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.